Howdy folks, Eddie Lee Grows here. Got a little problem with my Fender Player Tele Acoustic. My pickup here has fell down on one side, so I don't know if you can see that. We'll get a close-up of it later. But I haven't seen any videos or nothing on how to fix this. And I thought we would just get together and make a little video to put up for anybody else that needs some help with this. I'm just going to wing it and find out how to do this. From what I read, you take this back plate off and you can get to the pickup screws. But we'll see. We'll make a little video here and see how it works out. We can take a peek inside the innards of this Fender Player Tele Acoustic. Okay, here we are. This is my magnetic pickup on this thing, and I don't know if you can see this or not. I hope so. The camera's picking it up, but if you can see, this thing is just loose. So there should be a screw in here somewhere that'll tighten that up so it won't fall down like that, because it buzzes if you... because it makes a... sometimes you can hear it buzz against the vibrate against there when you're picking it. It don't really come through the electric part, but anyway, I need to get this fixed. So it's probably still under warranty, but what in the fun is that, you know? So let's just turn her over here. And from what I've read, we take these screws out, 6 screws, and get in this compartment, that we should be able to see the screws that hold the magnetic pickup in. So let me get this off and we'll be right back. Okay, through the magic of turning the camera off and back on, this screws are out. So let's take this thing apart and see what we got inside here. I've never been inside one of these, so here's what we got here. Get something here to hold that back. Let me give you a closer view of it. So there you see our pickup, and there's where our strings come through, and part of the piezo is under in there for that other pickup. As you know, the Mexican Player Tele Acoustics only have the 2 pickups in it, where the American version has a 3rd pickup, some kind of a body one. But if you look, another light here. If you look back in there, see that little screw? And it's even got a cutout for like a screwdriver. So it looks like that right there is loose. Very loose. And I can't see the other side from this angle. But we'll check them both out and see what's happening. I'll tighten that up and tighten the other one up and see what we got going on here. Okay, I think I see the problem. See this screw right here? He's way backed out. So that's all I'm going to have to do, I think, is just tighten that sucker up a little bit, and we should be back in business. All right, I got her tightened up, and it seems like it did the trick. The other one was starting to get loose too, so I tightened it up too. Come on, baby, focus. Anyway, that did the trick for me, and I got to raise it a little bit, so because I thought it was a little weak on the output, so I raised the pickup just a little bit. Got those screws tight, so hopefully that's all I need to do. So I hope this helps somebody out, because like I said, there's not a whole lot of video out there on the inside of these things. So if you have your pickup fall off, it's pretty easy, simple fix. Just take that back plate off and get in there and get her done. All right, thank you for watching. This is Eddie Lee Grows. Check out my channel, please, and subscribe if you want to. I got a lot of stuff on here. See you later, folks. Thanks.